Hi, I'm Anna, and this is my story about how learning English changed my life. I hope it inspires you to start or keep going with your own English journey. I grew up in a small village where nobody spoke English. My school taught it, but the lessons were boring, just grammar rules and old textbooks. I thought, why bother? I'll never use English here. But deep down, I dreamed of traveling the world, meeting new people, and discovering new opportunities. I knew English was the key, but I was scared. It felt too hard, and I wasn't sure I could do it. One day, something happened that changed everything. I was 16, scrolling through my phone, when I found a video of a girl my age from another country. She was sharing her life on YouTube, speaking English so confidently. She talked about her dreams, her travels, and how English opened doors for her. I was hooked. I wanted to be like her, free, brave, and connected to the world. But my English was terrible. I could barely understand her without subtitles. That night, I made a decision. I was going to learn English, no matter what. I started small. I downloaded a free app and learned 5 new words a day. At first, it was tough. I forgot words, mixed up grammar, and felt silly trying to speak. But I kept going. Every morning, I'd wake up, grab my notebook, and practice. I'd repeat phrases like, I am strong. I can do this. It became my mantra. A few months later, I found an online community where people practiced English together. I was nervous, but I joined a video call. My heart was racing as I said, "Hello, my name is Anna." My accent was thick, and I stumbled over words, but nobody laughed. Instead, they cheered me on. I made friends from Brazil, Japan, and Nigeria. They shared their struggles, and I realized I wasn't alone. We practiced together, laughed at our mistakes, and celebrated every small win. One day, I saw a contest online. It was for young people to create a short video in English about their dreams. The winner would get a scholarship to study abroad. My stomach flipped. Could I do this? I wasn't fluent, but I wanted to try. For 2 weeks, I worked hard. I wrote a script, practiced my pronunciation, and recorded my video. I talked about my dream to travel and connect with people from different cultures. My voice shook, but I poured my heart into it. I sent the video and waited. Weeks passed, and I almost forgot about it. Then, one morning, I got an email. The subject line read, "Congratulations, Anna." I screamed so loud my family thought something was wrong. I didn't win first place, but I got an honorable mention, and they invited me to a summer language program in London. Me, a girl from a tiny village, going to London. That summer changed everything. In London, I spoke English every day. I made mistakes, but each one taught me something new. I visited museums, chatted with strangers, and even gave a short speech at the program's closing event. For the first time, I felt like the world was open to me. I wasn't just Anna from the village anymore. I was Anna, who could dream big and make things happen. Now, I'm back home, but I'm not the same. I still study English every day. I watch movies, read books, and talk with my international friends. I even started my own YouTube channel to share my journey and help others learn English. My dream is to become a teacher one day and show people that anyone can learn English if they believe in themselves. Learning English wasn't easy. There were days I wanted to quit. But every step forward, no matter how small, brought me closer to my dreams. If I can do it, so can you. Start today. Learn one word, watch one video, say one sentence. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be brave. The world is waiting for you, and English is your key to unlock it. Keep going. You've got this.